Hi, this is Delica Herman, the Herman team at Douglas Elliman Real Estate. Today is gorgeous. I am taking a short hiking on my own property at lunch break. I love beauty of the nature. Listen to the birds singing. Watch the blue sky and get some fresh air. How about you? Come out to enjoy the beautiful nature. The spring is here. The real estate market is strong. The Herman team looking forward to helping you with all your real estate needs. Call Stephen Herman at 914-589-8811 or Delica Herman at 914-268-7686. Looking forward to hear from you soon. 谢谢你们打电话给小华914-268-7686，谢谢。Have a nice day.